Just a quick disclaimer before getting into today's video. This is only filmed for entertainment purposes and not one-to-one educational. This also provides insight into the aviation industry and overall better understanding of the field in general, to reduce any negative connotations. Everything that was filmed was at my discretion, along with the permission of my fellow coworkers. Additionally, all of my employer's standard operating procedures were followed in all the shots shown in this video. Everything I make is also not to paint my employer in the negative limelight either. Enjoy.
Okay, bring coverage for pushback. Delay starts until advised.
Alright, cover that pushback commencing. I will advise on the engine start.
Didn't go too bad. Nope.
Okay, here we go. I hate this tuck too. South line! That thing better not fall. Okay, I think it's good.
Yeah, at least it's not super windy again today.
Oh yeah, as long as it's not windy, that's fine. You want to know what the nickname of the nose guard, the red line is for a jackknife flying? I guess we call it. You know what the nickname of it is? It's called nicknamed the unemployment line.
Oh, that's fair. Actually, no, nobody gets fired for that.
Well, that's what they all say. Remember? By the book.
This is how I always do it. I don't know how to do it any other way.
That's okay. Just do it by the book. That's all you gotta say. Stop!
How else would you have done it?
You can do like a really big hook. Actually, 52. You can't really hook them in the horseshoe.
Especially because like they're full, right? Like the gates are full. That's so funny. I love that video. Oh, I got a D46 train. Did it with their Shivas on, dude. Put like the 360 camera on their neck. It's so funny. Oh, like a GoPro dog.
Yeah. done and over with.
You can't post that.
No, where the hell's the clicker? And Pushback, please set parking brake, please. And you're okay for the engine start.
Okay, brake set. Confirm pins removed. Starting right and left.
I will advise. Did you literally know is getting caught in 4K right now?
Is what?
You know is literally getting caught in 4K right now?
He's not doing anything wrong though.
Well, he's just getting caught in 4K. I'm not saying he did anything bad, but I'm just saying he's getting caught
If
in
you
4K.
get caught, it has to be doing something bad, isn't it?
And the pin and tow bar is disconnected.